because there was extrajudicial killing, there were many issues. So they were not allowed to address a rally in Garissa. Unfortunately, with all her arrogance, it's in my book, Mother Karua stood and called a press conference, and because she was so powerful, she told the minister, Saitoti, and the local administration that you guys, we can come to Garissa, have a cup of tea, not address the people. You mean you can't even convince and talk to these refugees? A whole region, in her opinion, was inhabited by refugees. Your Excellency, I want to thank you for coming. I have many things to say, but I want to sell my book. I want money. And Your Excellency, you are forward alone yesterday in the Standard. By evening, I have sold 400 copies. Today, by you gracing this occasion, I think we have surpassed 600 copies so far. Please buy my book. The proceeds will go to charity in honor of my late mother, because she deserves a lot. And Your Excellency, on the onset, I want to thank the editorial team. You will not find an error in my book. I want to thank and applaud the editorial team that helped me put this book together, the legal team that made sure the people I have described in this book will not go and take me to litigation, and did the copyright, and finally the bookstores who have, in the last 10 days, helped me sell my book. Your Excellency, finally, I want to thank most sincerely the diplomatic corps. The Dean of the African ambassadors is here, the EU ambassador is here, the French ambassador is here, the Turkey ambassador is here, the Saudi ambassador is here, representative of the British ambassador is here, the Swiss ambassador is here, and the UAE representative is here, and many, the Moroccan ambassador is here. I really want to thank the diplomatic community. I want to thank my colleagues, members of parliament who are here. David Ochieng is here. He has, I have a lot of stories in my book about David Ochieng. The chairman of the Pastoralist Parliamentary Group is here.